Welcome back. We've got our friend Dwight Hall here from the Lucky Enough Car Club, Louisville, Kentucky, all the way after the big Louisville victory last night. He wanted to come and rub it in our faces that we lost. And
Came in second.
yeah, we did come in second. But he drove his 69 Camaro that he's got some pretty cool story on. He wanted to tell us a little bit about it. When did you buy this car, Dwight?
Early 2001.
2001-ish. And you looked at how many cars before you chose this one?
Probably at least 100.
And
I've been to every junkyard in town.
all right. And this car here, you found it on the internet website, magazine?
Auto Trader.
Okay.
And I made a phone call. It was in Pomona, California. And I had a friend out there, a vintage air friend, go look at it for me and sent the money there. And in about a month, I had a car.
All right, so it gets to your house. First thing you say is, yay, amen, or are you regretting it?
Well, I asked the guy if it was a white car. And he said, dummy, can't you see that it's a white car? So after I got it to my house, it was a blue car.
Oh, no.
Blue car painted white.
Well, that's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
And you kept it white.
The first 69 I ever saw was Bill Jenkins's car,
Okay.
and I've always needed. It took me 40 years to get a white one.
Yeah.
But that was what I wanted.
Well, I think you did great. And so you get the car home. Are you instantly thinking fuel injection? Are you thinking small block, big block?
We drive our cars.
Yeah.
And carburetors, these cars sit too much. Carburetors don't like that. So the fuel injection is just the only way to go.
I dig it.
I'm poor, so I did it with Chevrolet parts.
And you did a wonderful job. So this is a real California-built car.
Real nice car.
And you didn't really have to do a lot of sheet metal work. I mean,
Well, I wanted a car that did not need quarter panels.
right?
So when I got it home, it was a vinyl top car. It needed a roof. So I did not have to put quarter panels on, but had to put a roof on the car.
Well, hey, you can't tell it, and it looks fabulous.
You know, so my body shop did not have a problem with that. So it worked out well. So it's a cool old car. It's very drivable. It's been on 2 power tours. It's been around the world. It just goes around.
And you represent well, man. You're a treat to visit with, a wealth of knowledge, and just an all-around nice guy, man.
Last motor's home on the garage floor. So
Yeah, you told me several years ago he bought an LS engine and just hasn't had the heart to transplant.
I can't take out something that ain't broke yet. So
Right.
this one's not broke.
Well, if you get to the Louisville area at any car show and you see Dwight, definitely stop and talk to him. He's just a blessing to the community and an all-around great guy.
Our tent is 260 feet long.
At the Street Rod Show in August, if you've ever been outside, kind of in the front of the building area, you'll see a lot of tents, but I don't think you'll see a tent as impressive as what Dwight puts together. Camaro Row, a lot of people call it, is powerful.
Big deal.
It's a big deal, and
Lots of colors.
and a lot of people beg to get in that line, and it's a tough fight. I'm not going to tell you if there's a slot that opens up, you'll be lucky.
We don't have many quitters.
Well, thank you for coming today, and we're gonna continue to support, and we're here for you if you need us.